Tomorrowland Speedway. All right, Winnie, so you're going to be driving? You're going to be steering. You guys will be behind us? Go on first. Winnie's driving, oh man! Ah! Winnie behind me! Wynter up! Oh no! What's going on back there? This is the Cuckoo Nuts Wild Ride right here, people. It's Winnie and the Roadster Racers! Woohoo, Winnie!
Daddy, I'm doing great!
Oh, yeah. Oh, here we go. This should be fun. Come on, steering it. This is the scariest ride I've ever been on. Foot off because it's almost over. Alright, we don't want to crash into the people in front of us because we're nice folks.
I know how to drive!
You did such an awesome job, Winnie.
Was it a wild ride?
Do I have any more grays?
Well, you got some pixie dust though. Come on, Izzy.
Ice cream. Do you want to have ice cream? We can go there. Ask like, it's my birthday. Can I have a free ice cream?
Oh! It's on the token right there.
Oh my goodness! Like, let me put it like a villain next to you. Look, I'm so spooky. You're so princessy. You're so pretty. What's your name? Sorry? Wynter? And your name Summer? Rayne? Rayne? Oh, that's a nice name. My name's May.
My name's Gino, just in case you want to know my name. Gino.
Remember, go to Auntie please get a free ice cream.
Gravity, why do you treat me so unkind? I never did nothing to you. Thank you very much. What a crowd. You know, I recently heard the universe was expanding. Guess it's time to loosen the old asteroid belt. For those of you just joining me, I'm Sonny Eclipse, bringing you the sunny side of entertainment all the way from the planet Zork.
You already got some candy?
Yeah, look.
Nice. Okay. Awesome. Let's keep going. It's a lot of balloons. Not that many balloons. You'll float away, Izzy. Remember, Genius? That's the fence. That's the gate over there that Izzy's head got stuck in last time. I didn't record that last time. Hey, Winnie and Izzy.
No, I don't want to.
So scary Halloween time.
And they're not scary until Halloween time. Look, today in my bucket. Use a tiki, I got more, use a tiki. Hey!
Alright, girls, good. Good, Izzy?
Hello, happy birthday. What's your name? Thanks. Oh, I know, it's Wow, happy birthday. What's that word again? Perfect, that's right. Is that it?
well.
You can swim around just like a mermaid.
You look like you fly over. Yes.
Oh, that's right. That's so sparkly.
How to fly like this.
We're gonna take a beautiful picture together. And right over here.
Say bye, girls.
Have fun playing around this kingdom, alright?
Yep.
Well,
Thank you.
You have to teach me something.
Okay, girls.
Daddy.
Come on, Izzy.
wow, that sounds like you're very talented.
All right, girls, we got it. Come on. Okay, thank you.
I'll see you another time.
Izzy, what did mommy ask you? Was Prince Eric cute?
No.
Was he handsome?
No.
Happy birthday, princess.
What's your name? And it's your birthday. Happy birthday. What is this? Five. That means high five. Well, what's your name? Right, older sister. Does that mean you're the troublemaker? Yes, I like it. Confident. Yes.
I'm still a troublemaker.
You're still a troublemaker? High five for trouble. Yes, I am. That's why we like each other, right? That's why we're friends. Can we be friends? Friends? Oh, friends. Friends. I'll be nice right now. I'm signing your book. We're gonna take a picture together. But because we're friends now, that means I have to be nice to you and you have to be nice to me, right? No.
Oh, that's a really good.
I am very nice. I'm very nice to Belle. I like her. Okay, well, it slipped out of my hands. It wasn't a throw. It just kind of went for a fly. Yeah, it did. And then the swim, it got hot. It was kind of going to the mud. That's what happened. Look at a mind of its own. You should know those things. I am. No. I wish I did, but I didn't know he was okay. He's okay. Mind you, he pushed me off the castle. Yes, he did. But it's okay. I swan dived, I went into the water, I'm safe, I got a perfect 10. LeFou was down there, gave me a sign, it was perfect. You guys are not following this. That's okay. Okay, she's following. That's what she said. That's all I got. You what? You messed your room up? Okay, she's apparently telling me about her room that she messed up. You messed up your room? Okay, she's a very honest child.
Oh, you like that?
Mom has it real good. I feel like you admit to all the things you do that are wrong, right?
You know, my cousin does too. She's a great reader.
I feel like you relate to this one.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Okay.
Yep. Bestie's right there.
I can tell. I like this one. We're troublemakers. She likes to mess up her room. I did when I was her age too. I used to throw things all the time. I used to lift my bed. Hey, it went for a swim. In the mud. Would you guys like to join for a photo? You hold my hand.
I don't know, you pick a picture.
Oh, they're talking about Rayne. Okay.
Wait, look this way.
Oh, that's so exciting.
You jump into?
My most favorite on roller coasters.
Oh, she's scared of those.
Why am I scared of roller coasters?
That's why I like you. That's why we're friends.
I'm not. Was that They call up solitaire though. Yeah, for the nighttime. Anybody understand me? I hate the nighttime.
You hate the nighttime?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I just hate the nighttime.
Candy that they have is for the hotel.
Yes.
Okay, done.
For the hotel, because we're going to get a nice big dessert while we're here.
Yeah.
Unless you want to have the candy and no dessert.
Hi, princess. Oh my gosh, happy birthday. Can I see you open your bag for me? Awesome. Here you go. And here you go, Supergirl.
Oh, Winnie, this
That's
is...
your sister? Awesome. Well, it looks like she's a superhero and you're a princess. that's a dream team right there.
You guys getting from both barrels? I don't believe it. You see the lady there? Happy Halloween.
They're pros.
Come on, Izzy. Aladdin and Abu. Winnie, you want to go on Splash Mountain?
Yeah. Daddy, can I sit next to you so we can do the camera together?
Sure. There they go. Winnie, you see them? Cool, huh?
Splash Mountain is like they tell you a story, and then there's some parts that, and it's water stuff where you get wet. It's really cool. Are we running fast pass for this? No. We have a fast pass?
No, we don't have a fast pass. But it says it's a 25-minute wait. Yesterday when we came, I think it was, well, it was closed. And before that, it was like a 90-minute wait, so.
Oh, 25 minute wait.
Here we are, genius. Sponsored by Ziploc.
I don't know what happened to me.
You grew, Izzy. That's what happened to you. You may get wet. Ocean, please.
Hey guys, so guys, Splash Mountain.
That wasn't a bad wait at all.
No, not at all.
Is this good? Is this good? Yeah.
I hope not. No. Look at that castle.
So cool, right guys? Woo! This is kind of like a calm ride, right Mama?
It's very nice. I love the sky and how everything looks.
Oh yeah.
Izzy, you having a good time?
Yeah, and now we're glad after all.
Uh-oh, we're going on our drop.
You can carry on that if you must. Really what we like us. That's who touch. Howdy. How do you do?
So bring your hands to the board and let's take
You ready, Winnie? You're soaked!
Alright guys, let's try something for the
I did good.
This was really fun!
It was fun for you? Are you soaked?
Yep. You?
Pretty much. Oh, this is the wrong spot.
Laughing place. Winnie, that's a small slide for a big truck. What do you think about that? Splash Mountain.
Fun a baby? Fly down. I really liked it. Fly down. I really wanted to cover my eyes.